Are you looking for concealed carry insurance or some sort of other organization to represent you in the event you're involved in a self-defense shooting? This video is for you because we are talking about the Armed Citizens Legal Defense Network as a viable option. As a pro Second Amendment attorney and firearms instructor for over 15 years, I set off on a journey to combine my competition shooting knowledge, instructor experience, and legal background with a practical application to the firearm laws. I'm using my unique background to help you and your family make informed decisions to keep you safe on the range, on the street, and in the courtroom. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today we are looking at what does a membership fee with the Armed Citizens Legal Defense Network include and how much that costs. So the initial fee deposit paid to the member, that would be you guys buying into the network. The member's fee is, it's not, they don't ask, the network doesn't ask you to repay it if you are in a self-defense situation and you need the legal team to be engaged. They also have bail assistance. The network will work with the member, that would be you, to arrange for bail after the member has used force in a legitimate self-defense situation. Let me just talk about bail for a second. As a defense attorney, having their client locked up in jail and trying to work a case is very difficult. Having a good bail system, being able to get out on bond or bailed out so that you can work face-to-face with your attorney on your case, that is critical. So that is a good feature here from the network. In addition, the member and his or her attorney must provide facts of the case to show that their use of force was legitimate in the case of self-defense. The member's attorney is responsible for providing all the details to the network prior to the disbursement of monies to the bail agent. So that is critical that, number one, that first fee deposit gets the legal team going so that they can collect information, so that they can provide it to the network so that they can fund your bail money. This subject obviously is, they say here, more complex than a paragraph in a benefit synopsis, so they do post an article there that you can read in detail. Also, a benefit of buying into the network, current network members defending against unmeritorious prosecution or civil litigation after a self-defense incident occurring during the period of their membership are also eligible for grants of financial assistance, legal fees, etc., from the Armed Citizens Legal Defense Fund. So let's see what else. In addition, the network is working to create a nationwide network of affiliate attorneys and legal experts upon which members can draw in the event, draw their knowledge and call upon them essentially in the event of a self-defense shooting or situation. See, you also can click on the affiliates page for current information on that benefit. Members' attorneys can also request case review by one of the network's experts paid for by the network with findings and advice forwarded to the member's lawyer. That's a mouthful. So in other words, if you were a member, you could request, your attorney could request case review by one of the network's experts. Maybe there's something that they've dealt with in the past that could shed some light on your case, and that would help your attorney defend you in court. That would be another good reason to buy into the network. Other membership benefits include video lectures by major experts and other instructors in the fields for the use of deadly force and other firearm-related videos. These programs cover pre-assault indicators and how they influence self-defense decision-making processes, and videos in which well-recognized experts, including Dennis Tuller for the Tuller drill, for those of you who know what that is, Masad Ayub, Tom Givens, John Farnham, and they present segments as well as lectures that you can tune in for on that. So what does it cost to join the network? That is a common question everyone wants to know. So for a one-year membership, you're looking at $135, and it seems to be that's just for the first year. For a 3-year membership, you're looking at $295. For a 10-year membership, you have $795 as the fee. And then For any other household member that you want to add to your plan, it would be an additional $60. Now, it does say here that renewals drop to $95 per year. That's all it says here. I would be curious to know, maybe you should look into that. Based on what I'm reading, it looks like if you bought your first year membership at $135, the way this is reading, your second year would only cost you $95. I don't know if any other network or group does a discount like that. That's pretty good. I would look into that. Let's see, the supported, we hope our network members feel able to exercise their legal right to self-defense, knowing that if their actions draw legal scrutiny, they will not have to face that legal threat alone. That's what their goal is here with this network. And something that everyone needs to remember is that that yearly membership of $135 or whatever you decide, $295 for 3 years, even the $795 for $790 for a 10-year membership. I just want you guys to know that a self-defense case, an attorney, if you paid an attorney $700, let's just call it $800, you might get about 4 hours worth of work out of them. 4 hours will get you through maybe the first court hearing, okay? Maybe the second one. That's it. So this is relatively cheap in comparison to what it would cost you if you had to defend yourself and go through the legal process. I hope this video finds you guys well. If you support the Second Amendment, please hit that like button. Leave us a comment below if you've ever considered getting part of one of these concealed carry into one of the concealed carry networks or another organization like, all right, edit back up too. Thanks for watching. If you support the Second Amendment, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below if you've considered purchasing into a group like the Armed Citizens Legal Defense Network or another group. Let us know who you guys are looking at or who you've purchased. And I'd be curious to see what everyone out there has. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.